Let us look at lists. List can be ordered, unordered, or descriptive. Let us see this unordered list first. So UL defines the unordered list, UL/UL, and we can choose the type. Type is equal to circle. Now we can define the list A, then next will be B, list C, list D. Let's execute it. View in browser. Circle defines this ABCD. We are getting this circles. So it's basically a bulleted circle. So that's how we can define the unordered list. Now we can define the ordered list. Ordered list will be OL/OL. Now if I say repeat, select the type is equal to 1, and from where you want to start it. Start is equal to 3. So now give the list items. Here I say A, then this list item is B, and this list item is C, the next list item is D. Type is equal to 1 and start is equal to 3. Let's save it. File, view in browser. It is starting from 3. Type is numerical numbers 1, because we said 1. So we have started at 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6 will be ABCD. On unordered list, we have this bulleted list. Here we have got this ordered numbers. Now let's see the description list. The description list is DL slash DL. Here we have DT is A, and its description will be DD, A for apple, and DT, B, DD, B for ball, DT, C, and DD, C for cat. So let us save it and view in browser. So A, B, C. This is what we are defined in DT. These are the description: A for apple, B for ball, and C for cat. So that's how lists can be defined. One is unordered list, where we can choose this type, maybe circle or whatever type you want, and this list you get it in an unordered way. This one is ordered list. Type is equal to 1 and we started with 3, so we get 3, 4, 5, 6 here, and this is the description list. So this description list gives the description for that letters or whatever descriptions you define. Let us look at tables. Table order is equal to 1, We'll end with slash table. We'll have a table row. Inside the table row, we'll have this th, that is heading, student, and one more th, marks. In the next row, we'll have the students and the marks. So here we'll have the table description, which is TD, and student A, student A, and TD table description would be, marks would be 90. In the next row, TR, we'll have table description, student B, the table description, marks 80. Save, file, view in browser. So this is a th element we have taken, heading, that is student and marks, and table description TD element is this part, student A, and this TD will be 90, and the whole thing will be TR, which is table row. So similarly, next row we had table description, student B, and 80. So let us close this. Now you can see this here, we have defined TR, in which we have taken th elements, that is the headings, student and marks, and the next TR table rows, we have defined that student name, that is student A, marks is 90, and these are TD elements. Student and marks are column headings. Now if we want to have a table heading, here itself we can create, in the beginning itself we can create the table heading T head and slash T head. Here we create the table row, and we have this table description. Call span is equal to, because there are two column headings, we'll say call span is equal to 2, and align is equal to center, and slash TD, and here we can define the table heading as student details. So we define table heading THEAD slash THEAD. Inside that we have this TR slash TR, and the TD call span is equal to 2, because there are two columns. We want the heading, table heading, to encompass all the two columns, and here we are given that student details. Save it, file. So here we got this table heading, that is student details, and then inside this we got the column headings, student marks, student A 90, student B 80. Now let us set the background color and border color of the table. So style is equal to background hyphen color cyan, and border color is equal to green. So let us now view it in browser. You can see this background color is cyan, and border color it got mixed in this color, so border color has been set to the green. Now let's see the cell padding. Let's set this cell padding is equal to 50. Now let's save this, and when you say cell padding, so each cell has got a lot of space in it. So is the cell size increased up to 50 pixel. So let us go back here. Let us take off that cell padding. Now set the cell spacing is equal to 50. While cell spacing, you got lot of space between this cell and this cell, and this cell, and this cell and this cell. The spacing has increased between the cells. Each one is a cell. So let us take off this cell spacing. Let us view it the original table as it is. File. This how it was when we increase the cell padding. So each cell has shown up as a bigger cell, and when we increase the cell spacing, the space between these each cell has increased.